Hey there, animal lovers. It's me, your favorite fun animal facts guru, and boy, do I have a buzzing surprise for you today. We're diving into the fascinating world of mosquitoes. Now, I know what you're thinking of mosquitoes. But trust me, these tiny terrors have some seriously surprising secrets up their sleeves, or should I say, up their proboscises. Did you know that if mosquitoes were the size of humans, they could detect you from over a mile away? That's right. These little buggers are like nature's own superheroes or supervillains, depending on how you look at it. And get this, mosquitoes have been around for over 100 million years. That's older than T-Rex, folks. Now, I know we usually talk about cuddly critters, but understanding these often overlooked insects can give us a whole new appreciation for the intricate web of life on our planet. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a mosquito adventure that'll make you see these tiny bloodsuckers in a whole new light. Most of us think of mosquitoes as nothing more than annoying party crashers at our summer barbecues. But there's so much more to these buzzing beings than meets the eye. Today we're going to peel back the layers and discover some truly mind-blowing facts about mosquitoes. Are you ready to have your perceptions challenged? Let's dive in. Alright, here's a shocker for you. Only female mosquitoes bite humans and animals. Yep, you heard that right. The boys are totally innocent in this blood-sucking business. But before we start feeling too sorry for the ladies, let's understand why they do what they do. You see, female mosquitoes need blood to develop their eggs. It's like their prenatal vitamins, if you will. They use special sensors to detect the carbon dioxide we exhale, along with other body odors, to find their next meal. Talk about a sophisticated hunting strategy. Meanwhile, the male mosquitoes are living their best life, sipping on flower nectar and plant juices. It's like they're at a perpetual juice bar while the females are out doing the hard work. Talk about a gender divide. Once a female has had her blood meal, she's ready to lay her eggs. And let me tell you, they don't mess around. A single female can lay up to 300 eggs at a time, and she'll do this several times in her lifetime. These eggs are usually deposited in standing water, anything from a pond to that forgotten bucket in your backyard. In warm weather, these eggs can hatch into larvae in just 24 to 48 hours. It's like a mosquito baby boom. No wonder it seems like these little buzzers are everywhere during summer. Now, let's talk about mosquitoes' real superpowers, their sensory abilities. If mosquitoes were in the X-Men, they'd definitely be the ones with the enhanced senses. Mosquitoes have an incredible sense of smell. They can detect carbon dioxide from up to 30 feet away. That's like you being able to smell a freshly baked pie from 3 football fields away. But it's not just CO2 they're after. These little sniffers can detect lactic acid, uric acid, and even octanol, a chemical found in human breath and sweat. It's like they have a whole array of sensors tuned specifically to human sense. But wait, there's more. Mosquitoes don't just rely on smell. They also use visual cues to find their targets. They're particularly attracted to dark colors and movement. So if you're wearing black and doing the mosquito dough dance, you know, that frantic arm-waving thing, you're basically sending out a dinner invitation. And as if that wasn't enough, they can also detect heat signatures. They're like tiny, flying predators using infrared sensors to home in on warm-blooded prey. It's a multi-sensory assault that makes them incredibly efficient hunters. Now let's talk about mosquito moves. These little acrobats are surprisingly agile and speedy. Hold onto your hats, because this might blow you away. Some mosquito species can fly at speeds up to 1.5 miles per hour. Okay. I know that doesn't sound fast compared to, say, a cheetah. But for an insect that's smaller than your fingernail, that's pretty impressive. This speed helps them evade predators and quickly escape when you try to swat them. In the insect world, they're like the Speedy Gonzales of the skies. But it's not just about speed, it's about precision. Mosquitoes have a unique wing structure that allows them to hover, fly backwards, and make sharp turns. Their wings beat an incredible 300 to 600 times per second. This maneuverability allows them to navigate through rain, wind, and even your frantic swatting attempts. They're like tiny, annoying fighter jets buzzing around your backyard. Now, you might be wondering, how long do these little vampires live anyway? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Mosquito lifespans can vary greatly depending on the species and environmental conditions. Some mosquitoes live only a week or two, while others can survive for months. For example, the Aedes aegypti mosquito, known for spreading diseases like Zika and dengue, typically lives for about 2 to 4 weeks in nature, But in ideal conditions, they can live up to a month or more. That's a lot of time for causing mischief. Here's where it gets really interesting. Some mosquito species have developed incredible adaptations to survive harsh seasons. In colder climates, certain mosquitoes can enter a state of diapause. It's like hibernation for insects. Their metabolism slows down, and they can survive for months in this state. Climate change is actually extending the active season for many mosquito species, giving them more time to reproduce and spread. It's like they're getting an extended summer vacation every year. So there you have it, folks. From their sophisticated hunting techniques to their surprising speed and adaptability, mosquitoes are far more complex than we often give them credit for. Now, I know it's hard to love mosquitoes, but it's important to remember that they play a role in our ecosystems. They're food for many animals, including bats, birds, and fish. Some mosquito species even help pollinate plants. While we definitely need to control mosquito populations to prevent disease spread, it's also crucial to approach this with a balanced perspective. These insects have been around for millions of years, and they're a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. So what do you think? Did any of these mosquito facts surprise you? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for other surprising animal facts you'd like me to cover, let me know.
And that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with us. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We always love hearing from you, so please leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below.